Hi everyone, I am Abdul Rahim from CSC department, uh, Savita Engineering College. Today I am going to explain the Python program that performs customer segmentation using k-means clustering algorithm, which using the k-map clustering algorithm, which is an unsupervised machine learning technique. The main objective of the program is to group customers based on their annual income and spending score. By doing this, business can understand customers' behaviors and improve marketing strategies. Now, let us go through the program step by step. The first step is to import required libraries. The first import pandas library, which is used here for reading datasets and organizing data in table form. The next line, import pyplot module from matplotlib library used for data visualization and plotting graph. The neat line graph that imports k-means clustering algorithm, which is an unsupervised machine learning library in Python used for clustering data points and grouping similar data together. In this program, k-means will divide customers into different clusters. For example, customers with high income and high spending may form one cluster to another. Customers with low income and low spending may from another cluster. The word K indicates number of clusters and means refers to the average position of data points. The center of each cluster is called the centroid, which represents the average location of all points inside that clusters. The next step is to read and assign the data. The command pd readserve and pd read.csv are the mail customer CSV. The data file, which is the stored a variable named data. The neat line sketched the neat line selected required columns from dataset. Here, iloc means integer location, entering which is used to select rows and columns using index numbers. The colon symbol selects all the rows and columns with index numbers 3 and 4, which requests and represent annual income and spending score and are selected. The values converts the selected data into NumPy array. The selected data is finally scored in variable X. The next step is to create k-means clustering model. N of clusters equal to 5 tells the algorithm to divide the customers into 5 clusters in which each cluster contains customers with similar behavior. Random state of 0 floats the randomness, ensuring same initial centroids and same output every execution. Initially, the algorithm randomly chooses 5 points as a temporary centroids. 5 points are temporary centroids. Each customer is in the assigned in nearest centroid. The algorithm calculates the average position of all points inside end clusters, which becomes the new centroid. These processes are repeated until the centroid steps changing significantly. The next line combines both fit and predict operations into one function. The fit operation trains the model with customer data and to find patterns. The predicted operation assigns each customer to a cluster. The next line creates a scatter plot or customers. All the rows are sketched along with column 0 and 1, which represents actual income and spending score for x and y axis respectively, which assigns the color based clusters labels. Different clusters appears in different colors. so that they can be visualized distinguishedly and differentiate separately. So S is equal to 50 sets the size of customer. The neat line plot the k-means cluster centers and indicates that the k-means stores centroid coordinates after training with which represents center of each clusters. If S equal to 200, increases centroid marker and marked size so that they appear larger than clusters and customers point. Marker of X displays the centroid using X symbol. So the next plotting the X label. The next lines labels the X-axis as annual income and the Y-axis is spending score. Adds the title to the graph and displays the customer segmentation. Hence, the program demonstrates how k-means clusters can group customers based on income and spending behavior. This technique is widely used in marketing, business analysis, and recommendation system and customer targeting. Thank you.